Since our inception, we have achieved tremendous growth and excellence in all verticals of our operations. From technology to the product range, from manpower to infrastructure, Microtek has excelled in every sphere of its operations. Along with over 3 decades of experience, market reputation and high brand value, Microtek has become not only the most preferred brand of India, but also the most awarded brand. We have won more than 30 prestigious awards in various categories. Microtek has highly efficient and fully equipped in-house and global R&D labs which are managed by highly skilled, motivated and experienced professionals to develop world-class quality products, keeping in view the need of our customers.
Very happy work culture where employees are delighted and they are totally satisfied. So we are coming out with life insurance schemes, various games and lot of other activities which makes employees happy. We take care of their families, their children, with promoters, employees, dealers, distributors and consumers.
We have fully automated state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India and abroad. In India, we have manufacturing facilities at Himachal Pradesh. We manufacture on the backward integration strategy, ensuring consistency of best quality product, which makes us the best and different from others. Microtek is discovering and innovating the best technologies and incorporating the same in its product range for the benefit of the customers. Microtek not only uses energy-efficient technologies to ensure sustainability for a greener tomorrow, but now through healthcare category products, we are also ensuring a healthy life. We proudly say that our stats support our claim of most preferred #1 power brand of the nation. When it comes to service, we are unmatched. Microtek's strength is its largest network of more than 165 service centers, 550 service points, and more than 1200 service engineers. We have got fully enabled customer care call centers. We use energy-efficient technologies to ensure sustainability and a greener tomorrow. We proudly say that our stats support our claim of most preferred #1 power brand of the nation. We believe in the concept of being self-reliant, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat, by making Microtek a competitive, resilient, self-sustaining and self-generating organization, helping India to be the crucial part of the global economy. We invite you to join hands with Microtek and be a part of Microtek family.
So दोस्तों Microtek